So lesson 12, surface area of a cylinder, example 1. It says find the surface area of the cylinder, rounding to 2 decimal places. Well, let's just write down the formula again so we know what we're talking about. So surface area will equal 2 times pi r squared, which will give us the area of the two circle ends, plus 2 pi r h. Now here we know that our radius is 5 and our height is 25. So our surface area will be 2 times pi times 5 squared plus 2 times pi times 5 times 25. And we'll just work that out on our calculator. Calculator over to there. So we have 2 times pi times 5 squared plus 2 times pi times 5 times 25 equals 300 pi, which is, to 2 decimal places, 942.48. 942.48 meters squared. Now example 2, find the surface area of this half a cylinder rounded to 2 decimal places. Alright, so let me just write down our full surface area first. Just 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Now, if you look at the outside surface, we can work out the area of a full cylinder, if you like, and then we divide it by 2 for half a cylinder. But we also have to include this flat rectangular face on the bottom. So we're going to do this. Surface area equals, I'm going to put it in brackets. Firstly, let's work out our radius is not 4, it's 2, because the diameter is 4, and the height is 8. So this time I'm going to put it in brackets and do 2 times pi times 2 squared plus 2 times pi times 2 times 8. That's for a whole cylinder. We have half a cylinder, which is divided by 2. Now, if we just left it at half a cylinder, it would be like a trough. It would be empty. It would be like a shell. But this has a closed rectangular face on the bottom. So we have to add to that 4 by 8 to close off the cylinder. Alright, so let's grab our calculator once more. And let's work out what we've got. So 2 times pi times 2 squared plus 2 times pi times 2 times 8. We work that out, divide that by 2. And is 20 pi. And finally we have to add to that 4 times 8, which is that rectangular piece on the base, which gives us to 2 decimal places 94.83. 94.83 centimeters squared.